Yeah, oh yeah, yo, on the panel. I could push it cool. Jack, on the pahu, so on the back. Jack, Mr. Okukusiku, on the pahu, so on the back. Hana bit to my soul, no over a move, check. My one in a hole, check. Oh, mammy, Jack, my one in a hook. Oh, mammy, back. This is Turu. The young bang, one of those said it. Jack, I will be back out. Nifrim tomorrow. Kabama will be painting. Jack, on it in America, Yanami 2 for 240. Jack, you 2 1 out to 4 not standing her. And a correct. Jack, was it Yassimu? Maybe Yasia card and I would have put on Nanso, I did bet I come out dear, not a bonnet. Obarana Wobono, I never shall dance with the baby idea to sign. Mameka, Okukusiku, when you pack you, so you are bell, and I did to my suru, meow, Jack, oh mammy and I, oh papa, one casa, Bumia, Jack, when the fool, your full girl, Missing my one in a hope, I won't be a wonderful to me. Kabanaka, Yanan could have forbidden, and Tiasi, Mamaka, Amateur. Nendo correct. Okukusiku. Jack, the kind of same correct. And I was still sick, now was still sick. Mamma can amateur. Wabara Bobakuya, if you feel it back, so Jack, what on Yana Yanto, never be up, would the Kuja about this so okay wood, or some money, and so good if I don't want our home. Mamma can, what to tell my money share my room, money by me, also, yes, in my room, if you back. Okukusiku, Uni Pahu, so the old band will know the tourist said, you know, on one with Yawa, over you, Cobra, I can't just see him get that. Young for security, my hardy, and my new paddy, Mameka, near Mahunu, Namidi Huadansi, and then near Mati. Jack, can I correct me say, near Midi Mania Hunu, and Midi Huadansi, and near Mati. Jack, because I make can't cardiac. Jack, my friend to Mamono, Eddie Akuja, or yet Dadano, we now will be put a weapon pumpkin, Nankania, or Padia Cocotocono, Yanaboro, and Marame for only a treme sign. Monsieur Marame for Noah, the treme sign. Jack, if we I see me a cushion, mentor, Baramabo, Yariabo, Minute, yes, a minute, King, who could face it to a year, we are quite a fool. Correct.